Hello, welcome back my vlog, Randy TV. Now, we make a strawberry smoothie with my lunch. Okay? So, wow, pure strawberry juice. Good for health, especially in your heart. Wow, strawberry. Now, I make my lunch. First salad with a balsamic juice like that. So together with this strawberry juice and put another one, the virgin olive oil. Yes, so very nice, healthy food for my lunch. Okay, ate by together with the pancake and grilled chicken. Yes, to make like look what I make it is for my lunch. Yes, first pancake, salad, and grilled chicken. Yes, like burrito. Yeah, it is very healthy food. Yeah, see, perfect. Wow, yummy, sarap. Okay, thank you for watching my vlog, Randy Vlog. Thank you so much. See you again soon, another vlog. Okay, bye. Wow.
Randy TV.